Greetings from new fantastic beach location in Stockholm that I have just discovered. This is Käringhamnen, located in Värmdö, on the very outskirts of Värmdö, right on the open sea. And I have been passing by with the bus on this spot many times before, but I have never actually stopped right here, as close by to this spot there is Stora Sand, which is a beautiful sandy beach that I'm gonna head probably later today. But I first wanted to check out this beach, as I haven't been here, even though I have been passing by so many times, and it's quite nice. It's just 150 meters walk from the bus stop that was called Klakneset or something, and it's facing somewhat southwest, I think, this beach, and it's quite beautiful, I would say, indeed. It is 4th of July, so happy 4th of July to all my American viewers, subscribers and members of my channel. And yeah, I am out on the sea again today on this sunny Friday, and this is the beach that I am checking out today. The water looks so inviting, so nice. Last time I was here in Värmdö, it was 10 degrees Celsius in the air out in Torpesand, and that was just this past Sunday. So let's see if the water has been warmed up since last time I was here. So let's find out. As you can see, it is a beautiful nature all around, and it's gonna be a fantastic day out on the sea today for sure, despite having some clouds later in the afternoon as forecasted. Okay, the water has warmed up. It's 15 degrees Celsius. Yeah, 15 degrees Celsius, which means it's perfect for an adventure out on the sea. So, oh, and there is even like a small island or set of rocks there in the middle with some birds that are possessing it right now. So let's get going and go in for a swim, because this is Beach Adventures with Kris, and I just love being out on the sea. Total travel time from my home to this spot was 1.5 hours, including the walk and the changes, as I was taking the metro and the bus to get here. The metro ride is only 15 minutes and the bus ride was 50 minutes, and then also obviously need to change as well. So yeah, beach to number 49 from Paradise, and later I'm heading to Stora Sand as well to check out how it is today. But yeah, it's gonna be a nice swim in the sea today. Actually, and even a book I have. I have a dog of a company now. It is swimming with me. So funny. The dog is like me, doesn't like does like beautiful sunny weather like this one. So yeah, the water is so clean and so nice. The bottom is super sandy, and it's just amazing how beautiful this place is indeed. I just can't describe the feeling. So yeah, it looks quite amazing. Look at that beautiful piece of nature, mix of forest and nature all around here in Värmdö. So let's then dive in. Ready, set and go. It was so amazing and nice. This is so beautiful. Look at all these birds here. possessing the island. So we approached the island. I'm not really sure if this is actually an island, but there are birds on it. So yeah, the water is fantastic and beautiful. Let's dive in once again. Amazing. Oh. But the birds are a bit troubling. Okay, I'm not gonna disturb their habitat. And yeah, I'm showing you a new big spot, Käringhamnen, here in Värmdö. That looks absolutely stunning. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this episode with me from here in Värmdö. And I'm gonna be enjoying here all day long in the beautiful sea. And I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Kris!